thought I need to hear action. That's why I was waiting.
I was about to say action.
Ah! Hi, I'm Cristina, and I'm here to show you how my team does collaborative testing in Miro. Testing is a vital part of product development, and Miro transforms how teams approach this process. Each session starts with clear instructions using frames. We include details like feature flags and what will be tested to keep everyone aligned. Here, there is a frame outlining user journeys and feature scenarios. Our QA engineer uses a grid to organize features and scenarios visually. This guides us when we are testing together. But here is the exciting part. We don't have to stick to these guides. Miro's collaborative environment encourages us to explore random journeys, test unexpected paths, and uncover insights that might be missed when working in isolation. Next, we split into groups and jump into a shared testing board. We organize findings into 3 areas: bugs, UX improvements, and suggestions. Miro makes it easy to embed videos, screenshots, add annotations, and group findings with sticky notes. Here is a small example of our testing board. And yes, it can get pretty chaotic, but that's where the magic happens. Using Miro's grid feature and JIRA integration, we turn chaos into clear, actionable next steps. Tasks are prioritized using Miro stickers, and bugs are mapped to the features they affect. This process gives us detailed descriptions and sticky note annotations, while the JIRA integration ensures everyone stays informed and aligned. Miro empowers teams to collaborate efficiently, centralize feedback, and integrate with tools like JIRA. With Miro, you can streamline your testing process and achieve better results. Get started with your team using our collaborative testing template in the Miroverse. Thank you, and have a great day!